Hi, service learners. I hope you're doing okay. I missed you last week. I know that it was a very small turnout, and so that's a disappointment for me. So I just want to really remind you that tomorrow's class is going to feature Andy Fine from the SPAR Center doing a harm reduction addiction talk. And he's put together a presentation, and I hope that everybody shows up because he worked hard to, well, I mean, it's his usual presentation, but he's putting his energy and taking his time to come to class. And so I want to honor him with everybody being there. So please make sure to show up for class tomorrow. And then also check in with me about your journal slash midterm stuff. Okay? So don't be a weirdo and don't come if you don't have it done. Please just talk to me like a human and we'll deal with it. All right? I will see you tomorrow, and Andy's gonna break it all down for you. So I hope you're doing well, and I look forward to tomorrow. Take care, you guys.